In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a YouTube video on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Starting off, it's essential to understand the power of sharing YouTube videos on LinkedIn, whether it's for the purpose of showcasing your business, sharing insightful content, or even driving traffic to your YouTube channel. LinkedIn can serve as a fertile ground for achieving your content distribution goals. First things first, let's navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can do this easily by clicking on Sign in with Google or by continuing with your LinkedIn account credentials. Occasionally, for an added layer of security, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA, so be prepared for that. After successfully logging in, your next move is to initiate a new post. To do this, look for the button or area labeled Start a Post. It's usually prominently displayed at the top of your feed or homepage. This is where the magic begins, as you're about to bring your content into the spotlight. Now it's time to grab the link to the YouTube video you wish to share. If you haven't done so already, head over to YouTube, find your video, and copy the video's URL from the address bar or the share option underneath the video. Bringing it back to LinkedIn, click into the Start a Post area and paste the YouTube video link directly into the space provided. LinkedIn will automatically fetch the preview of your video, making your post visually engaging and compelling for your connections and followers. This integration between YouTube and LinkedIn simplifies the process, making your content sharing seamless. The final step is simple. Just click on Post. With this action, your YouTube video is now shared with your professional network on LinkedIn. It will appear in your connections feed, ready to be watched, liked, commented on, and shared further. A little tip before I wrap up, always consider adding a personal touch or comment when you share a video. Whether it's an insight, a thoughtful question, or an invitation for feedback, adding your voice can significantly increase engagement and interaction on your post. And there you have it. Sharing a YouTube video on LinkedIn is straightforward, quick, and can amplify your content's reach beyond the confines of YouTube itself. Whether you're sharing your latest vlog, a product demo, or educational content, leveraging LinkedIn can be a powerful strategy in your content marketing toolkit. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you share your videos more effectively on LinkedIn. Stay connected for more helpful tips and tricks on maximizing your digital presence.